Hey everyone, my name is Destiny and today I'll be going over how to do a quick and simple gel polish manicure. So after we've made sure that we have all the old polish off and we cleaned up our cuticles, you can go ahead and file your nail down to the shape and size you want, and then from there you'll buff those nails out. It is definitely better to have a textured nail as opposed to a smooth nail because the gel will hold better and longer. After you buffed your nail out, you can go ahead and dust those off and make sure you have everything off. It's completely clean and ready for your base coat. After I'm done putting that base coat on, I'm gonna go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds or so. So I actually broke two of my nails and they were super short. So I'm gonna go ahead and form some tips on those two nails. I'm using this gel to create a tip. That way I can have an even length all throughout my hand. Now I am flipping my nail over so that the gel can level itself out and that way I can have a smooth finish. And then I'm curing it for 60 seconds and we can go ahead and see how that nail came out so far. And next we're gonna go ahead and work on that second nail and do the same thing over again. Truth be told, this is actually my first time forming a tip with a nail form, and as you can see it came out a little jagged, but that's okay. We can go ahead and clean it up with a nail file. I noticed that the nails came out just a little bit uneven and super thin at the ends, so I'm going to go over it one more time and even it out. Now it's time for the gel polish. I did find that this polish was a little on the thin side, and so I did have to work a bit harder just to get the color that I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of this. So far I love this color. Time for the second coat. So now it's time for the design, and for this I chose to use the nail foil art with these beautiful fall leaves on 2 of my nails. And then you want to go ahead and use the gel nail glue and cure that for a full 2 minutes. Once you have it cured, you can go ahead and take the pieces that you've chosen and really paste it onto the nail. And when you paste it, you want to make sure that it really sticks so that when you pull off the foil, the design is fully bare. Once you have the design where you want it, you can go ahead and use the gel top coat on all of your nails and cure it for 60 seconds. So these are my results, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Please tune in for the next video.